Hi everyone. I got a new light fixture up in my room and it's so pretty. I'll see with the lights on, with the lights off. Maybe you can't see it at all, but it's got etched flowers in there. They had another one that was just all, the clouded glass, but I didn't like it. I wanted this one and they were out, so I had to wait. They only ordered 4 more, so I rushed in to get that one. It was only $20, so, and it matches my doorknobs and stuff, or my closet knobs. And we finally got baby girl's blinds up. They have really cute cloth with, these are flowers, and they're the 2-inch blinds. I went all out for hers. Blinds.com. These were so much cheaper than going local. I would have spent over $2,500 putting blinds in my room and hers if I would have went local. I only spent maybe close to $500 on those in hers, and they're so beautiful. They need to come off and the shims need to go on so they open easier. I couldn't get my son to put the shims on, but they're going on. And we had that massive storm that all of you had, but I did manage to sweep out my flower beds, all the needles that went flying in there. It was about 4 or 5 bucket loads that I raked up. I didn't go crazy with the raking because it is only February and there will be more to come. So I've been keeping after these, making sure that I get all the sticks that drop, broken branches. I think I might see another one out there. No, I'm wrong. But I gotta try to keep them unclogged so that they can thrive. And so everything's doing great. Can you see my butterfly? I bought this butterfly a while back. I love it so much. Sometimes I make it crooked so it looks like it's flying sideways. But, when you clean the whole house, you can't even tell it's been cleaned because there's no flooring in here, but I've been keeping up on all the cleaning and dishes, and I did their laundry for him yesterday, because she had to be called away to take care of baby Davina, and I was working anyway, so I just did it. And today I'm trying really hard just to have a day of rest, but I'm still scooping up the poop and picking up the sticks and the pine cones and stuff. But I wanted to connect with you guys and say hi. I didn't go to Mass today because the streets did not look this good when it was time for me to go. And I drive a Camaro, so I'm kind of bummed about that. It's Lent and all, and I hate missing Mass. And I've been really screwing up. I mean, I've been working so hard that I work right through the time and come in to check, and I realized I missed my Mass. So the post office, I'm still in the medical department getting approved or disapproved, and I wrote a email to the guy who hired me and asked him, well, if they reject me for this position, can I be a mail carrier? And I know that's a full-time job, but I can use what's called Ticket to Work, and they let you try to enter the workforce and see if you can do it and stuff. And if you can't, that's cool. You can go back. But I want to try because I've got, thanks to my son, I need to get some money and put my kitchen together and stuff, and I want to get a roof. I want to get a new door, a couple of new doors. I need a lot of new doors, to be honest, because the bedroom doors are all messed up too. I need a lot of doors, and I'm going to need an HVAC system. All of this stuff is going to need money, and mine was stolen, so I want to get it taken care of. I want to do it. So, gosh, I love the mountains when they're covered with snow. My turkey friends had come for 3 days in a row, and then they went off to be in the wild wherever they are. Maybe they'll come back and visit me. I don't know. But the squirrels were pissed because they were eating the food that I gave them, and I don't know where my little mouse friend is. I've been looking after a mouse all winter. I've seen the mouse around. So I don't know where. I haven't seen it lately though, so don't know where it's at. And whatever was rattling at me is gone too. So to make a rattling noise, it's either a rattlesnake, which I doubt, or it's a burrowing owl that was burrowing in the fence. There was a nice gap there, but when I went out there to do some gardening, I didn't see anything there. So it probably relocated when it realized it wasn't alone. So anyway, you guys have a happy Sunday. Bye.